All right, before we jump into Q&A, thank you for all the comments and questions on this series. I pulled 5 of the most common questions I've been seeing, and I'm going to answer them lightning round style. And if you want me to answer yours in a future Q&A, comment question, and then write your question in one sentence. On screen, I'll label these Q1, Q5 so you can rewatch the one you need. If you're behind schedule, do this first.
I'm behind schedule. What do I cut, keep, and move without killing results?
Keep anything that creates clarity, belief, and invitation. Your sales message, your masterclass, and your follow-up emails. Move anything supportive, extra content, extra edits, extra posts. Cut anything perfection-based, design tweaks, new lead magnets, rewriting everything. Behind schedule is a triage problem, not a motivation problem. Want the personalized order? Pinned comment.
How much buffer time should I add to my launch calendar?
Start with a simple rule. Double your estimates, then add 1 weekly catch-up block. If you finish early, you're ahead. If life happens, you're still on track.
How much buffer time should I add to my launch calendar?
Must do a clear sales message, one belief-building event or asset, and consistent follow-up. Everything else is optional until those 3 are done. Want the personalized order? Pinned comment.
What if life happens mid-launch and I miss a deadline?
Don't disappear, communicate, simplify, and keep the core. Most launches recover when you keep the promise consistent and continue follow-up. And remember, people are waiting to hear from you. Some of them are ready to buy. They just need clarity and the next step.
How do I stop burning out when I launch repeatedly?
Stop treating each launch like a one-time emergency. Run a repeatable plan, keep buffers, and improve one thing per cycle. That's Launch Kaizen. Plan it like a system, not an emergency. Quick comment check-in. What derails you most? Time, tech, energy, consistency, or audience? When you fall behind, do you panic post, rebuild, or freeze? Get your launch order of operations map in the 5-day challenge, pinned comment. I'll see you in the next video.